Hey, Melissa. Okay, so I'm giving this a shot. I'm going to show you how to do this. So here we go. We are going to cut our clear contact paper. By the way, hi. Figured this was maybe the best way to do it. So we'll see if this works for you. Anyway, we're going to take our clear contact paper and fold it exactly in half. And then I'm going to cut it like this right here. Okay, and then here's always the hard part. So we want to get it kind of loose from our paper here, and I'm really excited, by the way, about you getting your business started. This is so cool. So here's what we do. Now, take your catalog, and here we go. So you are going to lay it, and I'm going to pick it up and show it to you really close. So you're barely going to overlap. So can you see how far from the top and how far from bottom it is? Okay. And now I'm going to fold it over on itself. So you will see momentarily what it looks like. So now here is a lip. So you can see it was barely folded over on the back, barely folded over. The cool thing is this will peel right off if you need it to. Then here's how I kind of do it. Rather than trying a 3-hole punch because it's kind of soft and squishy, I fold it over. I take, and if you'll see, I folded over, this part right here. So I fold it, and then I barely snip so that what I'm doing is basically cutting a hole in it by barely snipping it. And I do one in the middle. Again, barely snip it. The easiest way is to use, the way you can see I'm using way down on my scissors, snip way down there. So, hoping this is still picking me up. It is. Okay. Then we're going to open up the folder and lift our tabs, of course. And then just take it. And don't worry if it's not perfect because this all stretches, which is way cool. There's really a lot of give in this contact paper, and as long as you're near the top and the bottom of it with the little holes, so you can see I've started to push that on there, and it fits literally exact by cutting the paper exactly in half. So once you've got that done, and if your holes didn't work out perfect, don't worry. Just re-snip a little here to fold it over and do that, because I didn't snip this one actually. I thought I did, so there we go.